So I'm here at the Nike outlet. Let me know what you guys think about what you've seen in the video. There's a lot of stuff here. It just depends on what you're looking for and your size. This is the community store, so the prices are a little bit lower than we have seen at other outlets. However, there's no additional 20 to 30% off. This shoe is different. It stands out a little bit to me. Nike Air Ghost Racer for 59 bucks. Never really seen this shoe before. It caught my eye from a distance, so that's why I pulled it up. If you guys know about this shoe, what is this shoe for? Is this shoe for running or training? It looks pretty dope though. I'm not mad at the silhouette. The colorway's cool. I think we might have seen this in other colorways. Found a Kyrie 6 Oreo. However, this is a large size. 15 for 59 bucks. Not a bad price point for those. They got these H size 19. These freaks size 17. They got some Jordan 5. Crazy sizes. So these mids. What's going on in the world? LeBron 17 remixes. Wow. See these here. This colorway is crazy. Not something that I would have copped, but you know, some people out there might like these. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. That red is hidden. Really vibrant red with the gum out, so that's not bad, bro. The suede on these things are just ridiculous, bro. Material on these ACGs, once again, bro, you cannot go wrong with the ACGs. Fuego, bro. Cop, pass, fire, or trash. Now, I've seen these models before. I've seen this model before, but not really familiar with it. I had to pick it up because this color combination looked pretty dope. Remind me of like Undefeated or something like that. Now I'm here in the women's section. Let me go ahead and scroll through and see what I might find that appeals to me. These right here off the bat look pretty different, bro. What do you guys think about these? Only $79. Nike Zoom Fly SPAS. These are pretty dope, bro. This colorway is not bad. It's like the white. Okay, these are pretty fire. What do you think about these from a 1 to 10 scale? Yeah, these are not bad. These are not bad. Definitely worth. Yeah, I'm with these. Cop, pass, fire, trash. The colorway's not too bad. Very, very light shoe. If you own a pair of these racers, let me know how you feel, how they working for you out there in the public. Let me know. The more and more I see tailwinds, the more they're growing on me. We saw some fire ones earlier in the past visit. These ones are not too bad, more generic, but the colorway is just crazy. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Now we have some Air Max 98s in this colorway for the ladies, size 9.5 for 79 bucks as opposed to 170. These are pretty clean though. It's like a USA themed colorway. You got that extra special jacket foam right here. Let me know if you like these or not, bro. These are pretty clean for the Olympic vibes, even though 4th of July has already passed. Looks like they got something extra that comes on to, okay, is that reflective too? Yeah, these are pretty clean. From a 1 to 10 scale, I mean, maybe like a solid 7. So as we see some women Zoom Pegasus 36 Trail, Cop, pass, fire, or trash on these. That's like a Volt green colorway. It's not the best, but it's cool. I don't know if y'all a fan of these Pegasus or not. The Volt green, it reminds me almost like it would glow in the dark, but I don't think it does. And it's a trail running shoe, so let me know if you guys are rocking with these or not. But these are not too bad. Always tailwinds, right? You got this like Phoenix Sun colorway. I'm telling you, these tailwinds are coming with the colorways, y'all. I need to know if anybody's feeling any one of these tailwind colorways. Any one of these tailwind colorways. Got like the patent leather trim. Can never go wrong with these. Pretty fire though, bro. Once again for the ladies, they getting the heat, man. We keep coming across the heat. We got some daybreaks. These are like a quick strike. 49 bucks was 120. That's a pretty good deal right there. Are you guys feeling these or not? Kind of give me like Halloween vibes, if you will. I'm not mad at these. That snakeskin print's kind of throwing me off. The shoe is pretty dope, bro. It's kind of clean. I'm not sure if I'm feeling that right there. What the hell is this? Never really seen these before. Let's go get a closer look of Air Jordan 3R TD. 49 bucks. Not sure what the actual retail price was on these. Let me know what you guys think about this colorway. It's like a Jordan 3 that's extended. Reminds me of one of them old KD shoes, or even the Kobe 9 Elite with a high, tall situation. But I never seen these Jordan 3s before. Hella different though. Hella different though, bro. I don't know. That action that's going on, got the Air Jordan on the back. If these had Nike Air on the back, maybe some people might go after them. Extra laces too. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? More shoes for the ladies. Never really seen this colorway of the Pegasus Zoom Trail. This one is pretty dope. You got the navy blue, or no, it's all purple. That's crazy. On camera, it looks purple and navy blue. And in real life, it looks all purple with the cream. These are pretty dope though, man. The terrain, I'm not mad at this shoe, bro. What do you guys think about these? Here we go with the Air Max 2 Lite once again. Yet another colorway. Colorway's not bad. I'm not mad at this shoe, bro. They got good color combination on this shoe. The only thing I would improve, maybe not a white outsole, midsole, but that might be the same part that draws people to the shoe. Put some white laces in there, some blue laces, and yellow. You cannot go wrong with this shoe. Cop, pass, fire, or trash. So down here, I see some Air Max 95s, which I haven't seen really in a long time, with the satin for the ladies, 79 bucks. You cannot go wrong with that. We got some Air Max 97s that are pretty dope. We definitely talked about these before. This colorway is kind of eye-catching. They got a lot of good colorways for the ladies. As we scroll on up here, I just seen something I wanted to show y'all. Yeah, right here. Now they're only 69 bucks, bro. We've seen them at Foot Locker, Hollywood, and Highland for like 150 still, or maybe like 129 it was, something. But we have them here at the outlets for under $100, 69 bucks. Cop, pass, fire, or trash on these Jordan 1 Fearless DS pair, bro. Got the Fearless on there. Now I bought a pair of these Huaraches for my girl, not this colorway. This is kind of different though. She did like these shoes. I should have got her a bigger size. This colorway I like far more than what I got her before. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? If these are fire or trash, let me know in the comment section. Not too bad on these Huaraches though, especially for the girls. If you're a girl watching or you got a girlfriend who likes these type of shoes, let me know. Let us know in the comment section what you like about them and what colorways. They remind me a lot of the Air Raids. I think that's why I like these the most. They give me Air Raid vibe, bro, all day. Came across these Air Max Pluses, which looks pretty dope and unique. For the ladies also, I believe this is size 6.5. Let me know what you think about these. Ridiculous, bro. So I was told the kids section has some heat, so let me just go ahead and browse through here real quick. These Air Max 97s are not bad. This colorway is pretty tough. That green, that orange trigger or lining, Miami Dolphin type thing. This thing is pretty fire, bro. I wonder why I haven't seen these in adult sizes, but you know the GS sizes always get something that's extra crazy, bro. But as you scroll up, in small sizes, we do have some Kyries. The Kyrie 5 Bruce Lee. Or Kyrie 5, my bad, not the Bruce Lee, but the Kyrie 5 Mama Mentality. Pretty dope shoe. Of course, you guys know I have this in my collection. Did a full review on this shoe. If you guys are a fan of this shoe, let me know. If you had a pair of this shoe before the passing of the great Kobe Bryant, let me know, man. This shoe was a very dope shoe to have in your collection. Has some malfunctions on it, but I still love the shoe. That's why I kept mine. Cop, pass, fire, or trash. Just saw these real quick, wanted to talk about them. Navy blue and white, you cannot go wrong with that. Did they just chant or something?
They all do that.
Come across some of these, look kind of flat, waffle racers for 39 bucks. This colorway is not bad. Let me know what y'all think about these in the comment section below. Looks really, really flat. I bet you that's probably the point of the shoe. Whoa. What do y'all think about these overall? And if you own a pair, give us some feedback, you dig? Not surprised to see them here at the outlet, but they are at the outlet, size 6Y for 104. Colorway's pretty crazy. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Size 11.5, Jordan Why Not 0.2, 59 bucks, normally 120. That's a pretty good steal too for y'all 11.5 out there, lucky ass people. Not too bad on these. Cop, pass, fire, or trash.